Gold IRAs are often viewed as a secure option for investments, but is that perception accurate? The charm of gold can indeed hide some serious risks. To begin with, let's talk about volatility. Gold prices, though resilient against the market, can still swing dramatically, influenced by global events, economic shifts, and market demand. These fluctuations may have a significant impact on your retirement savings. Imagine watching your investment value drop unexpectedly due to a sudden market change. It's a reality many investors face. Then there's the issue of storage and insurance. Have you thought about where you'll keep your gold? Not all storage facilities are reliable. It is very important to choose a trustworthy company to protect your investment. If you don't do your homework, you could find yourself facing hidden fees, or even worse, falling victim to a scam. These are the ones you've probably heard about or rumors of, but not all Gold IRA companies are out to get you, contrary to popular belief. Which is why the importance of thorough research cannot be overstated, especially when it comes to Gold IRA. Regulatory risks are another concern that shouldn't be overlooked. The IRS has strict regulations regarding Gold IRAs. If you fail to comply with these rules, you could face severe penalties and taxes that could eat into your savings. Staying updated on these regulations is crucial for protecting your investment. Diversification is another key strategy to consider. Relying solely on gold may be a risky move. A well-balanced portfolio that includes various assets could help cushion against potential losses. It is wise to explore other investment options alongside your gold holdings. This approach not only may spread risk, but also possibly enhance growth potential. Lastly, never underestimate the value of professional advice. Financial experts can be invaluable when it comes to navigating the complexities of Gold IRAs. They can help you craft a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your retirement goals and risk tolerance. By being aware of these risks and opportunities, you can make informed decisions that protect your financial future. Understanding the crucial details of Gold IRAs will empower you to invest wisely and protect your wealth.